Okay, this is the Set C Region Middle School Timpani tutorial at 80. We're going to do a little slower so we can break it down a little bit, and then we'll have the run-through recordings that will be up to tempo. So first of all, we have A, C, D, and F, all the way from the 32, 29, 26 to 23. Okay, make sure you have watched the setup video on how to make sure that the drums are naturally positioned so you can hit in good hit spots. Watch the tuning video so you know how to tune, and all those reference recordings. We're in 12/8. We're starting with dotted quarters, so those are right on the beat. So put your metronome on 80 with the triplet on. Okay. So I have the stickings written in for you, so please follow those. Remember, we want to be using a piston stroke even when we're playing lower. Okay. So we're starting at the top here. I would recommend sitting down. All right, here we go. First measure. 1, 2, ready, go. F, D, F, C. Okay, so make sure you're starting at a nice mezzo forte where you're getting a nice dynamic. 1, 2, ready, full sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now this quarter note's going to be worth 2 eighth notes. That's going to be 1, 2, and you're going to come in on the third partial. 1 la li. Okay, so 1 la li 2. 3 la li 4. Now we have that dotted quarter on beat 2, so that's going to be worth a full beat. So it's going to be 1 la li dotted note, 1 la li 4 li 1. So we have that long, short, long at the end there. So we have short, long at the end. So it's going to be 1 la li dotted note, 3 la li 4 li 1. Okay? Follow the stickings. We have coming up from the A to the D, and then go down both A, C, up the drums. Okay, so pretty simple. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 la li dotted note, dot. Again, ready and go. 1 la li dotted note, 3 la li. 2, ready, go. 1 la li dotted note, 1 la li, short, long. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 la li dotted note, 1. Again, ready, go. 1 la li dotted note, 3, short, long. Okay, then on measure 3, we have the same thing as measure 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so pretty simple there. Now we're going to go left lead from C to D, and we're going to do a crossover. Make sure when you cross over, you don't cross over high like a rainbow. Keep your hands nice and low so that you're hitting at the same angle. We don't want to hit this 32 at a steep angle, right? So keep your hands nice and low. So when you cross, your skin should almost be touching. Okay? 1, 2, measure 4, go. 2, ready, go. Ready, go. Left, right. Ready, go. Okay? And then we're waiting 2, 3, 4. 1 is forte on measure 5. Okay, so let's do the first line. 1, 2, ready, go. Wait. 3, 4, forte. 1, 2, ready, go. Second line, we're at forte. The rhythm is long, short, long. Pretty easy, okay? We're starting the F and then playing the inside drums and then the outside drums. So out, in, out, in, out. Pretty easy. Ready, go. 2, ready, go. Make sure you're always thinking triplets. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1. Okay, now measure 6 is a little tricky with a crossover. We're starting with the F, C, D, and then we're going to cross the left. So same thing, same rules as earlier. Keep your hands really low. They're almost touching at the end. We don't want to have this big rainbow in our left hand. Okay? Ready, go. Check your hit spots here, okay? Make sure they're hitting in the same spot. And a good hit spot, especially on the top drum. We don't want to overreach and get a bad sound. Yucky, right? Hit a good spot. 1/3 in. It should be about 2 inches, 2.5 inches inside the rim. Okay. Then we have a long quarter rest and then short long, short long. So putting that together, you have 1 lolly, 2 rest. Bum 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 bum. 2. So the F ends on a dotted quarter note. Okay. So we wait a full beat. So dotted note. Then we have a long quarter rest. Then we're going down to the low drum and keeping the right hand on the D. Okay. So we have rest. And then a crossover there. Now that's not a real crossover because after that C, you can move both hands. So the last note of measure 6, I want you to move both hands to the 32 quickly so you don't have to have a crossover there. So I'm going to go ahead and add on that first 4 notes of measure 7 into measure 6. So we have 1 lolly, dotted note, rest, move. Check your hit spots. 1, 2, ready. Go. Ready, go. Rest. Move. Ready, go. Hit spots, wait. Move. Okay, so on measure 7, after your 1 lolly dotted note, you have beat 3, right? 1 lolly dotted note 3. You really got to pay attention to how long the dotted note is. 1 lolly dotted note, and then you have beat 3. So that beat 3 is a rest, an 8th note rest, and then you're coming after it on these off beats. So you have 3 lolly, 4 lolly, which is really just straight chord note beats. So it's rest, boom, boom, boom. So if we put this on, and it's on beat 3, 3, go. 3 lolly, 4 lolly, 3 lolly, 4 lolly. Make sure you can play that. 3 lolly, 4 lolly. 3 lolly, 4 lolly. Now we start on the D, and then we go to the C's with a bunch of lefts, while your right hand moves over to the 23 for the roll. So you have 3 lolly, 4 lolly. 3 lolly, 4 lolly, 1. 3 lolly, 4 lolly, 1. 3 lolly, 4 lolly, 1. Not too loud here, it's only meant to piano. 3 lolly, 4 lolly, 1. Go. 3 lolly, 4 lolly, 1 lolly, go lolly. 3 lolly, 4 lolly, 1. Okay, so even though you switch stickings, you got to keep that constant motion of that quarter note going. 3 lolly, 4 lolly, even though you're switching stickings. Okay, so let's start on measure 7. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 lolly, dotted note. 3 lolly, 4 lolly, 1, 2, ready, go. 1 lolly, dotted note. 3 lolly, 4 lolly, 1, ready, go. 1 lolly, dotted note. 3 lolly, 4 lolly, 1. Okay. So let's do all of line 2. This is measure 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, ready, go. Out and in. Rest. 3 lolly, 4 lolly, 1. Again. 1, 2, ready, go. 3 lolly, 4 lolly, 1. Last time. 1, ready, go. So it's loud here. Now this is like an echo. 3 lolly, 4 lolly, 1. Line 3, measure 8. We have a roll, crescendoing and decrescendoing. Make sure you cut off on beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lee 1. Okay. So you have that Lee 1 that's piano, Lee 1, but you want to cut off on beat 4. Okay. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, off. Lee 1. Okay. Now on that roll, make sure you start slow, go a little faster, and then peter out slow at the end. Okay. All right. So then when we get to measure 9, we're going 1. We're going to keep our right hand on the 23, and all we're doing is going long, wait, short, long, wait, short, long. Pretty easy. Ready, go. Lee 1, Lee 3, Lee 1. Again, try it. Ready, go. Lee 1, Lee 3, Lee 1, 2. Last time. Lee 1, piano. Lee 3, Lee 1. Okay, now we're going to keep that piano and go to the inside drums after that. So we have Lee 1, Lee 3, Lee 1, Lee dotted note, Pretty simple. So lead dotted note, I go to the inside drums. Okay. Now I also again I got to keep track. Dotted note 3 la, and I got to come in on the la, but it's straight 8 notes after that, and I'm going straight up and down the drums. We go 3 la li, 4 la li, 1 la. Okay. So let's just practice that. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1 la, 2. Ready, piano. 3 la li, 4 la li, 1 la, 2. Good hit spots. Ready, go. 3 la li, 4 la li, 1 la, 2. Ready, go. 3 la li, 4 la li, 1 la. Okay, so let's do this from pickups to measure 9. 1, 2, ready, go. Li 1, li 3, li 1, li dotted note 3, la li 4 la li, 1 la. Got to get the timing after the dotted quarter note in beat 2 of measure 10. Okay, you got to keep track. 1, 2, ready, go. Li 1, li 3, li 1, li dotted note 3, la li 4 la li, 1 la. Okay, so the last measure we've already started it, so we have 1 la, and we have an accent, and we're writing this quarter note. So 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. 1, ready, go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1, 2. So it's kind of going short, long, 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 short, long. 2, ready, get the rhythm. Short, long, 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 short, long. Try it again. Ready, go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1. Now you got some accents on the big beat 2 and 4. It's only piano, so the accent's mezzo piano, so it's not too much. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1, 2. Got to figure out these drums. Go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la. Got to figure out these drums and go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1. Okay, it's A, C, C, D with the left, F with the right, A on the bottom, and then another left, C, F. Okay, so you only have one D in that measure. Okay, so it's mostly these bottom 2 drums and the top drum. You only have one of these Ds. 2, ready, go. Okay, let's do all of line 3, measure 8. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, off. Again, go. Last time. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, off. 3, 1, 3. Okay, we're on to the last line, almost done here. So we have a dotted half note, so that's going to be worth 2 big beats, and then you have a full beat of rest on beat 3. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 new dynamics mezzo forte. Okay, so don't lose track of what's going on there. So basically 3 dotted notes. Dotted note, dotted note, dotted note, 4. Okay, all right, now on beat 4, so we have 4 la li 1, dot, 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 dot. Right, left, right, so we're alternating there. So make sure, because these are your fastest rhythms, that we're really making sure we're going for articulation. Okay, make sure you're using piston stroke. Dot, 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 dot. We want to hear that. Dot, 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 dot. Ready, go. Ready, go. It's also mezzo forte. Dot, 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 dot. So we kind of ride that wave of that rhythm for a while. Dot, 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 dot. Do it again, but to D now. So we have ready, go. Ready, go. Okay, now we're going to do the same rhythm, but now we're going to go left, right. Okay, so we're going to go left, right, left. Get an idea how that feels. Same rhythm, opposite sticking. So let's go from measure 12 and 13 together. Ready, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Left. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Left. Okay, now the last measure is pretty easy. We're just going outside to inside. Out, out, in. Ready, go. Left, right. Ready, go. Ready, go. Okay, so what I would do with muting at the end, and I might change this later, but for right now, here's what I've decided. I'm going to go out, out, in, and then I'm going to mute the C when I hit the D, and then on the next big beat, I'm going to mute the A and the D, so we hear silence. Now the F might ring over a little bit, but you can just slide over because you probably won't hear it by then. So I'm going to go out, out, C, mute the C, hit the D, and on the next big beat, I'm going to mute the A and the D, because I've already muted this drum, right after the C, and then I'm going to slide over. So I'm going to go out, out, in, mute these last two, and then slide over. So in time, that looks like this. 2, ready, go. Mute, slide. 1, 2, ready, nice and calm. Mute, mute, slide. 1, 2, last time, go. Mute, mute, slide. If you need to watch that in slow motion, do what you got to do and loop it. Okay, whole last line. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, ready, go. 2, 3. All right, middle school region set C, timpani at 80. Full run through. 1, 2, ready, go. Set C timpani at 96, full run through. 1, 2, ready, go. Middle school region, set C, timpani at 104, full run through. 1, 2,